Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Today we're doing a Temu haul, a Temu crafting haul. We haven't done a Temu haul in a long time. So we're going to do one today. It's just a small one. It's a crafting one. I think I'm going to break this up into two parts. First thing I'm going to do is show you everything we got. Of course, I will link everything below and tell you the prices that I paid for them. Keep in mind, Temu changes their prices. They either go on sale or they raise their prices, or I purchase it on sale. So the prices may vary, but I'm going to post what I paid for them. And what else? The next one, I'm going to do a demo on the items that we've purchased. So they're not really long videos. Sorry, I've been away for a while, but holidays and all were here, and festivities, and just things happen. So we're back to it now. So hopefully you guys had a wonderful new year and holiday season, and we're getting back into it. I'm looking forward to summer now that the holidays are over. I hate the cold weather. Anyway, that being said, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. On this channel we do crafting, paper crafting and haul videos, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to stop talking now and we're going to get into it. So this came actually in this bag. Of course, it goes through customs, and you see I had to basically like tear into it and rip it open. I didn't have scissors with me at the time, and it was like glued, whatever. Then I got this bag, which I love these bags, and I keep saving them. They're Ziploc top. I save them thinking I'm going to use them for something, and I never use them. I just keep them put aside for what, I don't know. But anyway, that's that. So there's a few items in here, and I'm going to pull them all out and we'll go through them. First item is, for those of you who know me, know I love stencils. I got this stencil. It is a starfish stencil. Not that I'm pushing for summer or anything. Well, actually I am. Funny story behind, not really funny story, but the thing about this is I had my order in the cart and I placed the order, and then Temu, as Temu does, sent me an email saying, oh, you can get 3 items for 99 cents each, or 4 items, whatever it was. So I clicked on it thinking I'm just looking through them. So I clicked on 3 different things just to check them out. Well, here I purchased them. Didn't realize I had purchased. I hit the wrong button. Totally my fault. But anyway, this is one of them. I got it for 99 cents, I believe. It's huge, 12 by 12, which I wasn't anticipating that big. But I think I might redo my bathroom and put this stencil. Cute little starfish. I don't know. I have to think about it. I didn't realize it was going to be that big. Huge. That's item number 1. Their stencils are really thick Mylar, which I like. So that was number 1. The other item I put in that 99-cent cart that I ended up getting. It's actually kind of cute. I was just looking at it to see what it was, and it actually kind of made me chuckle. It's a stamp. Sorry, guys. I would have these out of here. Are you kidding me? Okay, rip. It says, it's so cute. I'm not trying to offend anybody, so I apologize if it offends anybody, but it says, okay, where's the glasses? It's all bloops and giggles until somebody giggles and bloops. You guys can read it yourself. Sorry, things are blanky. Crap. Oh, poop. Holy crap. I got you. I forgot. And it's got the little poop and toilet paper image. I thought that was so funny. But anyway, that was 99 cents. I put it in the 99-cent bin. Again, I must have hit something and ended up purchasing it. The next 99-cent item was this little guy. I'm going to take it out, but they are little, as you can tell. Little die cuts of summer. To me, it's summer. It's summer. So, 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents for these items that I got. So, $3, honestly, you can't beat it. But honestly, I wasn't trying to buy it. I was just looking at them and I ended up purchasing them. So that's those. And then I paid regular price for the rest, or the price of the day. This one here, I had 2 birthdays coming up in January. Both Will and Sarah's birthdays are coming up. So I got this die, which I thought was going to be much bigger. Again, in typical D fashion, I didn't read the dimensions. It is little. And I'm out of breath. I just ran up steps. It is. Look how cute they are. Look. So it's good. I thought it was bigger because I thought this was a full-size card. But like I said, in typical D fashion, I didn't read the dimensions because I assumed, you know what happens when you assume, 2.8 inches or 7 centimeters by 2.8. So, yeah, I should have read. Anyway, it's cute. I could do something with it, but little cards that they made are adorable. I paid $1.98. Not bad, not bad. Next item is, this was 2 in 1, which I wasn't sure I was going to get 2 of them. Because usually with Temu, they'll show you the picture of 2, but you get only 1 sometimes. But these both say happy birthday. Put that one out of the way. These, and this looks like this. I like the up and down. I thought that's adorable. And that was $1.59. You guys see. And the dimensions are 11.7 centimeters or 4.6 inches tall. This would be the biggest one. By 6 centimeters or 2.36. I think that's both of them together. Oh no, this one's 2.36. So $1.59. That's cute. A little thin. It's a little, I like thicker words, but that's that. Next, yeah, we really went overboard with the birthday things, is this happy birthday stamp, the sentiment. All right, let me get that white card. Happy birthday to you, to my favorite person, from all of us, wishing you, make a wish, enjoy your day, you still got it. Hope your day's amazing, we love you, hip hip hooray, from your favorite person. Every birthday card I send is going to have that on it. just a little late. And then the big, bold happy birthday. I like these 2 big happy birthdays. And this is what, just a regular size. They didn't really show any things. We paid $1.98 for these, for this. So you can't beat that with all those sentiments on it. Next, we have, guess what? More birthday stuff. Dun, dun, dun. This is a double die, like this comes off. So it's got the background, happy birthday die. It's got the background that I'll have to take apart, obviously. Watch the next video because we're going to demo these. But that's what it'll look like. See with the background? You don't have to use a background, but you can. 5.3 centimeters or 2.8 inches tall by 9.8 centimeters or 3.86 inches wide. That's what it looks like. Yep, they didn't lie. It's exactly what it looks like. That might be ours. That's it. So that's that one. And we paid, oh, what did we pay for it? Let's see. $1.98. $2, guys, for that. Come on now. As you may or may not recall, I've been having some trouble with some of the Temu dies, the bigger ones, the like full page ones. The little ones haven't had any problems with. So I'm still working on that one Halloween one for those of you who are a veteran here. Okay, this one here is actually, is it discontinued? Sold out. This is an embossing folder. I have a lot of embossing folders. I don't use them as much as I should. I'm starting to get back into them, especially with making some Valentine's cards, which I'm going to do a video of that coming up soon. But this just says happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's not a 3D one, just a regular one. And what did I pay for it? I don't know, because they only tell you the item is sold out. They don't tell you what you paid for it. But like a Christmas one of the similar one is $1.98. So probably less than $2 for that. Any more happy birthdays before we get into this other stuff? I don't know. All right, next one we're going to do is... This item's also sold out. Excuse me. It's a happy retirement die with the background. And it says this item is sold out. I hate it when they don't show you more details. Happy retirement. Oh, that's for the stamp set, which good segue. I'm not sure what I paid for this. I'll have to look on my thing. But anyway, thin die. I can't imagine it being more than $2 or $3. I got this one too. Oh, that's the one that's sold out. Is this sold out? That's sold out too. Okay, both of these retirement ones are sold out. So I got this stamp set that goes with it. Happy retirement. Wishing you all the best in your next adventures. Cheers. Thank you for your service. We couldn't be happier for you. From all of us, you'll be missed. You've earned it. Let the fun begin. It's been a pleasure working with you. Yeah, sure it has. You leave big shoes to fill from the whole gang. Woohoo. Relax and enjoy. You made it. Finally, happy retirement. So, I don't have a retirement. I wonder if that'll work on that. Oh, does that fit on that? It totally does. That totally fits on that. Oh, we're trying that. So stay tuned for the next video. That'll fit on that. Oh, I wonder if that birthday one will. No, it's a different one. Never mind. But anyway, that's cute. All right, next. Also, I won't be able to link the ones that are out of stock because they don't give you a link for it. Unfortunately. This next one is a Christmas one. And I know Christmas is over and it's almost Valentine's Day and blah, blah, blah. But it's so cute. A note to say, Merry Christmas, special delivery, sending warm and loving thoughts. So you can use this for anything other than the dance. Dear Santa, a merry little wish that your Christmas be filled with peace, joy, and love. Sending paper hugs. So you could use these guys. You don't have to put this stuff on it. You could probably do this. Get rid of the snow off of here and use the mailbox. So you could use this for other... Look at the little cute little bird. You can use this for other holidays too. So that is still available for $1.98. Let's see if they do any... Just regular size, 4.4 inches by 6.4 inches, or 11 centimeters by 16 centimeters. They didn't give you any samples. But it was $1.98 for all these. It's adorable. All right, that's that one. Next. Sarah, my daughter, you may or may not know, has purchased her own house. Well, probably been a year now. Anyway, her guest room, the one of her guest rooms, is mushroom themed. So I got this. I figured I could do a nice little card or something, and she could hang it up in there, or just set it up in there if she wants. She doesn't have to, but how cute. I love fairies, dragonflies. I'm guessing this is cobblestones because that's here too. So we can do a little scene with that. This was $2.48. This was the most expensive item I think we purchased. Look how cute that little sample is. Oh, there it is bigger. Today's a new day. Let's celebrate. You could put anything you want on there. Look at that one's cute. Look at the little samples. Adorable. Adorable. Okay. That is that. And then our final item is, I got more of these. Dome. Boom. Dome. I love them. I've been using them. I use them a lot. I like them a little better than these, actually. I think they do blend better than the flat ones. So I got more of them. And these were, oh, these were the most expensive. These were $3.48. Let me show you a little sample. These are actually the flat ones. Here's the dome ones. I got 10 of them for $3.48. I like to get the little container there, but one of these days I'm on a very strict, I was going to say it's a very strict diet. I'm on a very strict budget. Anyway, guys, that is our video for today. The next video is going to be where we demo these and play with them and see what we can do with them. That'll be a bit of a longer one. And what else we got going on? That's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I apologize for my little hiatus away from you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and a nice comment if you did enjoy it. Only nice comments. Any negative comments will be deleted because we're not having that on this channel. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.